Please sit down. Prananda, a croeso i Gaerdydd. Good afternoon and welcome to Cardiff, to the Utilita Arena and to our 2024 graduation ceremony. I'm Baroness Jenny Randerson and I'm Chancellor of Cardiff University. And it's a real privilege to be here today to celebrate this momentous occasion with you. May I offer a warm welcome to family, friends and supporters, to our alumni speaker, and of course to you, the class of 2024. Today, we celebrate the extraordinary achievements of students in two of our schools, the School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences, and also the School of Psychology. Acquiring a university education is no mean feat, so I congratulate you not only for securing a place at Cardiff University in the first place, but also for the dedication and commitment that you've demonstrated to get where you are today. And since most of you will have started your studies when staff and students were still battling against the impact of COVID on our daily lives, you deserve even greater praise for your success. Congratulations to you all. Llongyfarchiadau I chi gyd. To students in the School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences, your school has been inspired by the commitment of all of you to its values. Your lecturers can't wait to see you make a positive impact on the places where you'll live and work. Your experience at your school will have reinforced your sense of responsibility, not only to yourself and your work, but to the next generation of students who will look to you for inspiration. Thank you from your school for shaping and enriching its community. To those of you from the School of Psychology, you have helped foster a strong community of student psychologists through the Psych Society Committee, with wonderful events including a ball earlier this year. You've represented your school in sports, netball, rugby and frisbee, to name but a few. You've also taken the time to recognise and thank your lecturers for their work, nominating them for Enriching Student Life Awards. This year sees the first cohort of graduates from the school's new Masters Clinical Associate in Applied Psychology programme. Congratulations to all of you and to everyone else here today. While you've been here, you've been taught by world-leading scholars, some of the brightest minds on the planet. And now it's your turn. Your Cardiff qualification tells the world that you are ambitious, passionate, and that you have a brilliant mind. Embark on the next stage of your journey with all of the confidence that brings. For some of you, today will be tinged with sadness, of course, as you say goodbye to Cardiff. This vibrant, colourful and diverse city has been the backdrop to your journey through university. Of course, the charm and character of Cardiff is difficult to give up, and some of you will have already decided to stay and call Cardiff home for the foreseeable future, whether this is through work or further study. Either way, as you cross this stage in a short while and step foot outside the front door of this arena, you will be doing so as a Cardiff graduate and a member of our alumni community. Cardiff will always be your university. So wherever life takes you, we hope that you will become a flag bearer for this great institution and carry forward our values of kindness and generosity of spirit. We ask that you stay in touch and visit us often and share your experience of Cardiff University with the wider world. Finally, I want to thank your family and friends who come to support our class of 2024 today. Your presence here makes the day even more special for them. You are here because you're proud of their achievements. So as they cross the stage, please make sure they notice you are here. We need lots of loud and enthusiastic applause. Don't hold back. This is not a time for a small, polite clap. We want it loud. For now, to those of you who are graduating, I ask that you sit back, enjoy the ceremony, and savor the moment. I hope we will add another special memory to the collection that you have grown over your time with us. And your graduation will be something that you can fondly look back on in the years to come. We now move on to the proclamation. And I have the pleasure of introducing Deo Siôn Llywelyn Owen. Deo will read the proclamation and a poem by Wales's inaugural poet, Gwyneth Lewis. Many of you will have encountered Gwyneth's work before in the form of the 6-foot-high words, regarded as the biggest poem in the world, on the front of the Wales Millennium Centre. Gwyneth has been writer-in-residence at the University School of Physics and Astronomy and is now an honorary fellow. Her poem, Education, was specially commissioned by Cardiff University. Diolch yn fawr.
Education by Gwyneth Lewis. Beiddia feiddio gwellhad y wneud. Myna geisio parcha ddweud. Traws newidiad fydd dy glod, dy ddyfodol, mentro bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure with not knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is simple delight in mind and its motions, scintillates but isn't deceptive, admits the joy of institutes, is the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortest distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. Byddaf yn awr yn darllen y cyhoeddiad yn Gymraeg yn gyntaf ac yna yn Saesneg. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodau. Boed hysbys i holl aelodau'r Brifysgol ac ar hyd a lled y byd fod cynulliad o Brifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym Mhrifddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod Siarter Frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod i dderbyn y myfyrwyr sydd, yn rhinwedd eu hastudiaethau a'i hysgolheictod, wedi harholi'n briodol yn unol â statudau'r Brifysgol ac wedi cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Wrth ddathlu llwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio yn y cynulliad hwn, fe atgoffwn eu cyfrifoldeb i gyfrannu at werthoedd y Brifysgol hon, a nod iddynt hwy i'w ceisio, drwy eu cyflawniadau, i wasanaethu ar lles pawb, ymdrechu i sicrhau rhagoriaeth ym mhob peth, ac ymboeni am ddyfodol ein byd. Gwrandewch yn awchus ar ddoethineb gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by the virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of this university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation, and in doing so, remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek, through their achievements, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence in all things, and to care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation.
Prynhawn da. My name is Madison, and I'm your former Vice President, Societies and Volunteering, and your current President from the Students' Union. Cardiff, it's a privilege to address you today, a day which you will remember fondly for the rest of your lives. For many of you, today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your life. At the beginning of this journey, many of you would have been faced with the exciting but daunting prospect of moving away from home, whether that be from Pontypridd, Portsmouth, or Peru, making new friends and perhaps living independently for the first time. None of these are easy feats, so for that, I congratulate you. During your time at Cardiff, you may have had to overcome some challenges. You may have been the first in your family to come to university. You may be a carer or have dependents and have to balance that with university life. Or maybe you've battled with something else entirely. You should all feel very proud of what you've achieved, both personally and academically. The experiences that you've shared together in the seminar room, a society, or a sports club, the opportunities that you have embraced and the relationships which you have built, have made you into the graduate and person that you are today. As you reflect on your time here, let's acknowledge the hard work and dedication that has brought you to this moment. It's not just about the degrees you hold, but the friendships you've made, the lessons you've learned, and the growth you've experienced. You may or may not know exactly what you're doing next, but as you step into the next chapter, carry with you the resilience you've developed and the memories you've cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you're equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Congratulations, class of 2024.
Prynawn da chi gyd, good afternoon to all of you. Fy enw I yw Damien Wolford-Davies, fi yw Provost a Dirprwys Ganghellor Prifysgol Caerdydd. My name is Professor Damien Wolford-Davies, and I'm the Provost and Deputy Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University, and I'm delighted that, as has been the case on each day this week, my job is a very simple one, and it is to warmly welcome all students to receive their award at a particular moment in the ceremony. And I'll say something more about that moment of magic, and the magic being yours, in a moment. Now, our Chancellor has already raised the issue of noise, and I've got to be frank with you. I'm going to be frank with everybody here today. It's been a week of primal screaming, of hollering, of cries that are barely recognizable as human. I mean, my point is that we like this kind of thing, and we want more of it, and we want it to be louder than the last time. And you think I'm kidding? Do we have a deal that, as the Chancellor said, this is not going to be 3/4 of an hour of polite clapping? Agreed? It's going to be 3/4 of an hour of sustained clapping. This is a long but short runway, and as I've said in previous iterations of this ceremony, each student is on their own journey across this runway. Could you ensure that you keep up your resilience with your clapping? It's really important. It is an act of support, it's an act of love, frankly, and offer each student, whether you know them or not, the same kind of support. One phrase that always strikes home in that poem by Gwyneth Lewis is simple delight. I like that phrase, I like that concept. Let's go with simple delight today. Once all the students for each award have crossed the stage, and once you've returned to your seats, I'm going to ask each cohort to stand. And at that point in the ceremony, it's a tradition for a certain formula, a certain formulation to be said in Welsh to receive each group of graduates to their award. And the Welsh formula I'm going to use translates as, through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your award with all the privileges this confers. Congratulations. In Welsh, trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. I now introduce Dr. Alex White, representative of the School of Pharmacy, who will present undergraduate students for their award.
I, Dr. Alex White, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Pharmacy. Ilya Agrafoti. Nimat Alualo. Hiba Aljani. Lina Al-Hamdani. Mariam Al-Hussein. Suella Al-Zani. Miran Al-Sharafi. Carolina Bakakova. Hannah Baggett. Sandra Bali. Sneha Banerjee. Amna Bashir. Nada Bedri. Qazi Begum. Sean Blythe. Amelia Boscott-Williams. Esme Bradshaw. Alexandra Burris. Anna Byford. Rhys Cardiff. Sebastian Clark. Helena Crump. Tegan Davies. Thomas Davies. Mia Delfretti. Eloise Denny. Genos Edmund Jones. Caitlin Edwards. Simon John Evans. Nimo Farah. Nicole Martina Felice. Daniela Ferris Edwards. Elizabeth Freiberger. Emma Hanley. Alicia Harris. Katie Harvard. Alyssa Hawkins. Elizabeth Hennessy. Sophie Hill. Anfal Hindar. Annabelle Holcomb. Dominic Holt. Erin Howells. Amy Hubbard. Ryan Mustafa. Aisha Iqbal. Leila Ismail. Millie Johnson. Ellis Fleur Jones. Ellen May. Jones. Hannah Karim. Krishna Karan. Aksa Khan. Ellie Knightley. Grace Lakin. Alice Leeson. Nia Lloyd. Aaron Malik. Rihanna McDonald-Hunt. Miao Minaz. Ellie Louise Morgan. Bethany Ellen Moore. Amy Newton. Esther Ola. Rajesh Patel. Leanne Payne. Princia Peter. Anna Farangi. Maddie Pullenbrook. Mariam Rahman. Lucy Ray. Bilal Rizwan. Ellen Mayer Roberts. Sam Robinson. Rebecca Rosler. Daniel Sabu. Thomas Schricker. Ashley Scott. Hannah Rose Sebastian. Kira Shackleton. Keisha Socrates. Savitha Shipakarathan. Keris Eve Staples. Neha Mary Thomas. Jarrett Toji. Sami Tarofta. Sarah Chahan. Sophie Varner. Leah Wakefield Coates. Isaac Walding. Isabel Wilkinson. Amelia Williams. Hafsa Williams. Leon Wong. Su Ling Wong. Evie Wood.
I, Professor Catherine Shelton, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Hannah Ahmed Shihan. Akria Otopia Akrofi. Cameron Algar. Caitlin Allen. Madiha Amin. Harriet Sophie Angel. Archie Roberts Ansell. Grace Rose Avison. Denise Ayaz. Sana Asha Ayab. Raya Assam Ayus. Daisy Anita Babbage. Daniel Roberts Baldry. Evie Louise Ball. Sam Ball. Jessica Louise Barber. Taylor Jeanne Barford. Hannah Ruth Barron. Alejandro Andrea Barossa Ramajo. Holly May Bates. Claudia Barrington. Nadia Birukova. Elena Carol Bishop. Jessica Alice Blakeney. Olivia Boak Yeomans. Charlotte Bruschetta. Loris Baltis. Chloe Tatiana Booth. Scarlett Bottrell. Maisie Jane Bowmaster. Daisy Jane Bradwell. Molly Ava Brassington. Alani Britton. Ellie Brooks. Ashley Brown. Isabel Grace Brown. Molly Jane Bunting. Rosie Elizabeth Cade. Emmanuel Carmu. Rebecca Jade Carter. Rebecca Carol Case. Ella Chambers. Daphne Sharitu. Ashley Chugiayi. Raisa Chowdhury. Tiffany Chow Ao. Leanne Courtney Clark. Emily Isabel Collins. Emily Rose Cottrell. Erin Neve Powell. Emily Charlotte Cull. Amelia Beatrice Dale. Katie Elizabeth Daniels. Emily Davis. Megan Davis. Jasmine Davis. Ria Deshmukh. Jada Rose Dixon. Alice Doyle. Kate Duncan. Darcy Diamond. Bethan Edwards. Tyler William Edwards. Christina Estratiu. Talia Elgi. Lena Faye El Hassan. Leah Hannah Emmers. Amy Entercott. Abigail Grace Evans. Caitlin Evans. Theon Evans. Hannah Evans. Jenna Rachel Evans. Leah Evans. Larry Evans. Rebecca Lee Evans. Alexandra Fafara. Hannah Farah. Jack Sean Flynn. Molly Grace Francis. Esme Freeman. Tian Gathergood. Holly Goddard. Ella Godwin. Ella Goodyear Gibson. Myri Goodwin. Maya Gowdy. Amelia Graham. Rachna Gridiri. Andrew Mark Greedy. Cara Green. Rebecca Gregory. Teal Francis Griffin. Maddie Griffiths. Alex Hadrell. Lily Hadley. Farah May Amani Havis. Jessica Hatfield. Sophie Rosemary Hall. Anna Hallam. Robert Henry Harding. Octavia Hardman. Jessica Harriman. Eve Harris. Thomas Hayward. Sarah Kate Hillier. Katie Lloyd Hiscox. Charmaine Wenying Ho. Celine May Huessian. Bethany Hatchings. Hyung Hun. Sadie Louise Aiken. Maria Sophia Ioniudi. Imogen Mary May Ying Ip. Alex Reese James. Zoe Elizabeth James. Lauren Jenkins. Mably Ellen John. Molly Johnson. Ernest Jones. Caris Jones. Ebony Jones. Ella Jones. Holly Mae Jones. Lucy Rebecca Jones. Mari Wynne Jones. Megan Lowry Jones. William Jones. Alessandra Kazi. Madeline Keating. Fran Olivia Kelly. Nicole Koo. Hannah Kidby. Paige Koloshinska. Seisel Koo. Saraya Kurji. Helena Jade Leach. Anita Estelle. Rebecca Lee. Nikki Lim Chin Yi. Francesca Hoi Ying Lok. Alejandra Lozano. Zia Lynn Martinent. Billy Maher. Theodora Manoli. Sasha Dediwanasha Manyati. Madison Loveday Marshall. Anusha Maitha, Gemma Mayhew, Grace McCabe, Emma McEwen, Madison McKinley, Stan Ellis Melstrom, Lucia Menchini, Emily Morgan, Katie Elizabeth Morgan, Sophie Morley, Catherine Murphy O'Dween, Mia Myrell, Katie Ann Myerscough, Katie Newbold, Si Liang Nium, Chin Yi Ni, Natasha Binti Nomadi, Katerina Davalidu, Una O'Driscoll, Mary Olabi, Rachel Oldham, Ziying Ong, Michelle Helen Overment, Lucy Jane Owen, Millie Paget Wharton, Holly Palmer, Chi Leng Pang, Edith Rose Parker, Emily Parker, Hannah Patrick, Jessica Payne, Chloe Pierce Higgins, Charlotte Maria Pearson, Louise Joyce Farrow, Samuel David Phipps, Rebecca Phoenix, Maya Louise Pilcher, Katie Annalise Pilkington, Toby Kennett Place, Isadora Popovich, Geraint Thomas Porter, Ruby Jane Priide, Rebecca Paki, Rebecca Jane Renee, Jasmine Renyard, Megan Reynolds, Ellis Reed Williams, Heather Richards, Zachary Thomas Richard Smith, Daisy Roberts, Olivia Robinson, Ellie Rogers, Hannah Rogers, Demi Lee Rowlands, Charlotte Scamell, Georgia Seeger, Hiba Shah, Alexandros Skouridis, Jessica Smale, Gwenan Clwyd Smith, Zachary Smith, Sasha Solomons, Liana Rose Spencer. George Spitari. Anaridu Shirinaz. Sorry. Rachel Francis Staples. Vasilia Stilianu. Louis Schwartzberg. Eloise Tabani. Duru Tania. Sarah Turbett. Marianne Theobald Tianiti. Elif May Thomas. Olivia Grieg Thomas. Chloe Catherine Timothy. Jennifer Townley. Zoe Trinder. Hannah J. Turian. Ellie Mae Vickridge. Beth Walker. Freya Walker. Isabel Watts. Paula Vine. Brian Wen. Bethan White. Bethany May Whitehouse. Luke Whiteham. Millie Wiggins. Alana Kate Williams. Christina Williams. Christina Leah Williams. Sophie Williams. Hoi Wong. Antonia Jean Woolley. Caitlin Worsley. Samuel Wright. Holly Young. Claudia Savaviak.
Okay, the distance between somewhere down here and the top of the mortarboard is one of the most perilous distances in geography, psychology, and geometry. But you all did it really, really well. A little bit of magic now. A wnaeth y myfyrwyr hynny sydd newydd groesi'r llwyfan sefyll os gwelwch yn dda. Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand? Thank you, diolch. You're just going to have to do all of that over again in a moment. Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol derbyniaf chi, i'ch dyfarniad ar holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil, Here we go again. Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Thank you. Steddwch os gwelwch yn dda. Be seated, please. Thank you.
I, Professor Stephen Riley, introduce those who have received the postgraduate diploma. Aisha Akhtar. Charlotte Bill. April Brown. Amber Challoner. Eric Davis. Monica Kaur Daliwal. Naghina Hussain. Eftika Mohammed. Chido Makoko. Hannah Nathan. Louise Short. Samantha Vine. I, Professor Stephen Riley, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Science. Catherine Adams. Esha Rani Vinod Agnitotri. Jack Andrews. Tanisha Kar Biswas. Nagina Belalai. Jessica Imogen Andrews. James Rees Arnold. Angelique Asmiwal. Geethika Ayalath. Harrison Thomas Beecham. Catherine Elizabeth Bills. Ruby Bird. Daniel Brooks. Fionn Butler. Ashley Jane Chapman. Octavia Cheney. Archie Clark. Ellie Comley. Isabel Crocker. Kyra Cundy Williams. Bethan Denver. Aristotle Duplus. Caitlin Dopp. Shivani M.G. Dubey. Emma Eves. Cal Ferguson. Francis Frayne. Prachi Gia. Amy Goddard. Nicole Guichard Grattan. Lavinia Francis Han. Megan Elizabeth Hart Griffiths. Isabel Hawkins. Pippa Lucy Higgs. Freya Hurd. Ho Ian Deborah. Laura Holden. Jodie Horsfall. Fionn Hughes. Rachel Hughes. Zoya Iman. Sumaya Islam. Beth Jenkins. Alison Jones. David Frederick Jones. Amy Lee Robin Jordan. Max Keith. Alexandra Kuklaki-Daru. Harv Lloyd. Lorna Lombardini. Kutreya Mabli. Mihek Manhayan. Jack Malin. Amelina Mohammed. Joe Harvey Newman. Daisy Lee Norton. Ragu Isabel. Luciana Oliver. Kelly Alexandra Olsen. Mared Owen. Abigail Paul. Sergio Pavarani. Jessica Pender. Ria Pius. Katie May Price. Rachel Price. Gabrielle Prosser-Williams. Sarah Prothero. Priyanka Punjabi. Matthew James Purser. Zamira Frederica Raja. Preeti Rajan. Rujula Rajendran. Sanya Rana. Jessica Amy Reardon. Eleanor Roberts. Nastasia Robinson. Georgia Rosewood. Satpana Roy. Divya Kaur Sani. Sneha Salel. Helen Sanford Taylor. Molly Sandilands. Anvisha Sen. Shweta. Thomas Silcox. Rebecca Snell. Danielle Melissa Smoody. Ella Grace Beatrice Sunderland. Samuel Tang. Ella Watson. Charlotte Webb. Scarlett White. Neve Woods. Benny Wu. Jay Weimer. Sajida Yassin. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
A wnaeth y myfyrwyr hynny sydd newydd groes i'r llwyfan sefyll, os gwelwch yn dda. Would all those students who have just crossed the floor please stand? We are wonderfully delaying the beautiful inevitable. Here it is. Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi I gael eich dyfarniad ar holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Diolch fawr iawn. Please be seated.
The following students have achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and research, they will be presented to the presiding officers who will doff in return. I, Professor Stephen Riley, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Clinical Psychology. Jack Arnold. James Bailey. Adam Joshua Can. Dr. Abigail Clifton. Dr. Corinne Haley Green. Dr. Jordan Amy Holt. Dr. Sarah Jane Howie. Dr. Zoe Charlotte Hurrell. Dr. Lisa Maria Cramell. Dr. Owen Lane. Dr. Hannah Maynard. Dr. Alex Morey. Dr. Sarah Radev. Dr. Molly Tong. I, Professor Stephen Riley, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Educational Psychology. Dr. Laura Barnsley. Dr. Ella Cowperthwaite. Dr. Molly Elizabeth Griffiths. Dr. Kat McFadden. Dr. Holly Milmine. Dr. Hibak Osman Abdi Mohammed. Dr. Adele Louise Page. Dr. Kelly Russell. Dr. Katie Warren. Dr. Chloe Weaver. I, Professor Stephen Riley, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Dalal Al-Balani. Dr. Raid Al-Ghamidi. Dr. Lama Al-Shabani. Dr. Kate Anning. Dr. Robin Uskay. Dr. Laura May Bishop. Dr. Basma Bojan. Dr. Claire Bauscher Murray. Dr. Amy Challenger. Dr. Uminet D'Souza. Dr. Ivy Ifitu Esiam. Dr. Abigail Finn. Dr. Tamash Ada Fuldesh. Dr. Kelsey Fruin. Dr. Abraham Hakami. Dr. Adelina Mihaela Halkin. Dr. Joshua Haynes. Dr. Olivia Hughes. Dr. Aoife Omani. Dr. Eva Perichet-Thomas. Dr. Alice Jane Price. Dr. George Raywood Burke. Dr. Lucy Scarlett Reid. Dr. Sebastiano Antonio Rizzo. Dr. Andrew Angus John Robertson. Dr. Tahani Al-Saidi. Dr. Aminulu Sikurella. Dr. Alistair Souch. Dr. Mariana Souza Leite. Dr. Steliana Yanankiva. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
A wnaeth y myfyrwyr hynny sydd newydd groesi'r llwyfan sefyll os gwelwch yn dda. Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. Congratulations. Sit down.
Could all those students who have studied in any aspect of healthcare please stand if you are able for the reading of the oath.
Byddaf nawr yn datgan y llw yn gyntaf yn Gymraeg ac yna'n Saesneg, ac yna gofynnaf I chi gytuno I delerau'r llw. I will now declare the oath, first in Welsh and then in English, and then I will ask you to agree to the terms of the oath. A ddawaf mae fy mlaenoriaeth gyntaf fydd gofalu am fy nghleifion. Byddaf yn garedig gyda phob claf ac ymdrechaf I gyfathrebu yn effeithlon gyda nhw. Byddaf yn parchu urddas a'u preifatrwydd a'u hawl I gyfrannu'n llawn at benderfyniadau ynglŷn â'i gofal. Byddaf yn onest ac yn ddibynadwy bob amser ac yn parchu a diogelu gwybodaeth gyfrinachol. Ni fydd fy nghedolau personol yn amharu ar ofal fy nghleifion. Trwy gydnabod cyfyngiadau fy nghymwysedd, byddaf bob amser yn diweddaru fy ngwybodaeth am sgiliau proffesiynol. Os fydd gennyf unrhyw reswm da I gredu nad wy fi neu gydweithiwr yn addas I weithio, byddaf yn gweithredu'n gyflym I ddiogelu cleifion rhag perygl. Ni fyddaf yn camddefnyddio fy sefyllfa broffesiynol a byddaf yn gweithio gyda chydweithwyr yn ffordd orau lles y cleifion. Yn yr holl faterion hyn, ni fyddaf byth yn gwahaniaethu'n anheg yn erbyn fy nghleifion na'n cydweithwyr a byddaf yn barod I gyfiawnhau fy ngweithredoedd iddynt ym mhob achos. Rhoddaf yr addewid hwn ar fy llw yn wirfoddol ac o ddifrif. I promise that I will make the care of my patients my first concern. I will be considerate to all my patients and will strive to communicate effectively with them. I will respect my patients' dignity and autonomy and their right to be fully involved in decisions about their care. At all times, I will be honest and trustworthy, respecting and protecting confidential information. My personal beliefs will not prejudice my care of patients. Recognising the limits of my competence, I will keep my professional knowledge and skills up to date. If I believe that I or a colleague may not be fit to practice, I will act quickly to protect patients from risk. I will not abuse my professional position and will work with colleagues in the ways that best serve patients. I will never discriminate unfairly against patients or colleagues, and I will always be prepared to justify my actions to them. I make this promise solemnly, freely, and upon my honour. Os ydych yn cytuno â thylagau'r llw, dywedwch ydwyf. If you agree to the terms of the oath, say I do.
It is my pleasure to introduce today's alumni speaker. Dr. Quentin Sandifer graduated in 1985 with a degree in medicine. He initially trained as a general practitioner and worked in family practice in the UK and Canada before entering public health practice in 1992. He led a distinguished career in public health, holding positions across the UK, eventually becoming Executive Director of Public Health Services and Medical Director of Public Health Wales. In this role, he was responsible for Wales's national screening programmes, as well as public health emergency planning and response. Quentin served as Public Health Wales's lead strategic director during the pandemic, before retiring in December 2020. The following year, he was awarded an OBE for services to public health. Currently, he is Strategic Advisor to the International Association of National Public Health Institutes and a Technical Consultant to the World Health Organization. Quentin is a long-term supporter of Cardiff University, and we're very fortunate to have him with us today to share some congratulatory words with you. Please welcome Dr. Quentin Sandifer.
Prynhawn da, o'n gyfelliad I dastos I 24. Good afternoon, I should say, and congratulations, class of 2024. Da iawn, well done. Graduation represents both the end and the beginning. The end of your studies in Cardiff and the beginning of whatever and wherever your degree now takes you. Many of you came to Cardiff having just left secondary education. Now you hold a passport to a world of opportunities. I say to you, seek out and seize those opportunities. It is almost 40 years since I graduated from the University of Wales College of Medicine, one of several institutes that has merged over the years with Cardiff University. I'm a local boy, born in Cardiff and raised and schooled in the Vale of Glamorgan. As a teenager, I revised for my A-levels in the library in the main building. And since my graduation, I have repeatedly returned to my alma mater as a master's level student, as an occasional lecturer, and as a very proud alumnus. So, what can I say to you that might leave you feeling inspired and excited for the future? Well, start by reflecting on your experiences and your achievements in Cardiff. Yes, you have worked hard now and have a degree in pharmacy, pharmaceutical sciences, or psychology. The first step, I hope, in a long and rewarding career. But you have achieved so much more. You may have overcome huge personal challenges during your time in Cardiff, and yet still succeeded when perhaps you thought all was lost. At the end of my second year of study, my father died unexpectedly from a heart attack in his early 60s. The university granted me a short time off my studies to sort out our family affairs, and my fellow students provided me with the support that carried me through a difficult period. If my experience counts for anything, then those same friends are likely to stay with you for life. As 30-somethings, you'll be attending each other's weddings. Then you may become godparents to each other's children. And in 20, 30, 40 years' time, you'll be attending reunions. I say to you, cherish and nurture these friendships, for they will be among the strongest you will ever make. In addition to your studies, I hope you participated in every opportunity that has presented itself to you: clubs, societies, and shared activities. Participation requires commitment and patience, but the reward is joy, friendship, and learned experiences that I can tell you you will call on later in life. Consciously and unconsciously, your experiences in Cardiff will shape your lives and guide your future experiences. Like many local boys, my career took me across Offers Dyke and indeed further afield, and back again. As it has been oft said, you can take the boy out of Wales, but you can't take Wales out of the boy. Every time I left Wales, I was drawn by the possibility of new experiences and the opportunities for personal and professional advancement. And every time I returned to Wales, I was drawn by the desire to apply the knowledge and skills I had acquired from those experiences to really make a difference to this small, beautiful, but in so many ways challenged country. But even if this is not your home country, I hope you will feel compelled to grow personally and professionally, and then apply that knowledge and experience to make the world a better place. So be proud of what you have achieved. Seek out opportunities and never stop learning and developing personally and professionally. But first, celebrate your success. You deserve it. Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch yn fawr to Dr. Sandifer for those inspiring and important words. And to you, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. You are now part of Cardiff University alumni community. Cardiff alumni are great global citizens. Some are activists and have high profiles. Others are quiet, solid contributors to their communities. Cardiff will have given you more than just a degree. You've been encouraged to ask questions and challenge conventional wisdom. You have shown willingness, determination, and spirit, the real hallmarks of a Cardiff University graduate. The Welsh word hiraeth is made for moments like this. It conveys a sense of place, of longing, of love, of memories. We hope that you will keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University. And before we close this ceremony, there is one last Cardiff University tradition we need to uphold. While today is all about your achievement, it's not something you've done on your own. You have been supported by your family and friends, and of course by your lecturers throughout your degree. So, can I now ask the new graduates to stand? Everyone in the arena made a lot of noise for you. Now it is your turn to make even more noise to say thank you, diolch yn fawr, to them. Please stand. Thank you. You can sit down now. I think they've got the message. And now, finally, to close our celebrations, here's a film welcoming you to our Cardiff University alumni family. Enjoy the film, and at the end of it, please stand as the platform party leaves and our ceremony draws to a close. Thank you for joining us today. Enjoy the rest of your celebration, and congratulations once again, Class of 2024. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? Class of 2024. Today we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheers. Today we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont, yng Nghennydd, Aberdare and Aberconwy, I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe. The new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives. A network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
Cheers, drive.
And we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark. Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o hiwmor nes bo ni'n folly. People who tried to shelter us with broken brollies. People who helped us find our limits and push them out of the way. People who helped us get to this point.
On this day.
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared. A day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roedden ni'n gwybod y deiau eto high-lefryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late-night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at Team. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news, but absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say
Fama fy myd I. This is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30,
40.
years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment. Look around you. Be welwch chi. What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.